Very good evening to all of you, beta. Today I am going to quickly do some your worksheet. If you have done also, then also it will be revision for you. I am going to cover all the worksheet. Okay? Yeah. So that is what. Do you share it with me? Put it in the group. I'll solve it right now. Okay? Yeah. Any one of you send it on my personal number. Okay? What is the name of this? Bicarbonate. This is. No need to shout, like a mad boy. N3, this is nitride. There is a difference between the difference between nitrate and nitride. And keep all your four inside after sending. If I get up and if I see na beta, chalta hai wo beta. So but dichromate. Clear hai? Which is the latest worksheet you have sent it to me?
Can I please use the worksheet? I have to. Sir, can I please use the worksheet? Sir, I have to hard copy. Sir, it's an emergency. Sir, you want hard copy?
No. Okay, give it the hard copy. No. You send it tomorrow and keep your phone inside, all of you. Right now, send it. हाँ चलेगा मेरे को ऐसे ही मैं यही ऐसे ही करा दूंगा ये कभी भेजेगी मेरे को पता नहीं No, Jay, nobody will go. Okay. Pay attention here. Write the molecular formula of each of the following compounds. Okay. Baking soda. No, baking soda is NaSCO3. Formula. Okay. Table salt is NaCl. And car battery is H2SO4. Shut up. And fertilizer is beta urea. Okay. CO. हाँ मैं अमोनियम क्लोराइड भी मैं ले सकता फर्टिलाइजर में ठीक है हाँ NH4Cl that is one NH4Cl is not a fertilizer ammonium phosphate urea no urea formula is different but you can write anything ammonium nitrate you take best ammonium nitrate yeah you can write but they have told the formula then in urea so urea formula is like this. C double bond CON2H4. So it is very difficult to remember. Yeah, urea. Okay. So element present then in CaHCO in what beta? Wait na beta. Which one you are talking about? Baking soda? No. Baking soda is this. So which element is present? Can you see NHCNO? This shut your mouth up. Shut your mouth. We are not scoring in exam also. Sulfuric acid is what beta? HSO. No. Shut your mouth. Urea, if they ask you beta, so which other element are there? CONH. Okay. Now बैलेंसिंग बेटा बैलेंसिंग भी तुझे नहीं आता है बेटा ठीक है बैलेंसिंग आई हैव टॉट यू बेटा आई थ्रो योर फोन आउटसाइड नाउ ओके दिस वी डिड और नॉट टेल मी हाँ तो क्या बैग यही है वो दिस इज डिफरेंट
और मैंने भेजा
I'll solve this. What element?
This worksheet just
Exists as a signal monoatomic. No need to shout. This girl here, how much you will talk, both of you? A metal which require three cells. 3 shell means magnesium by 2A2. So how many shells are there? 3. Agar if they would have said 4, then it would have been what? Calcium. If they would have told 2, then beryllium and boron. Okay. Now if they say what is the valency of calcium in calcium chloride? Acha, calcium anyways valency is how much beta? 2. But suppose if I write calcium chloride, 1 chlorine is how much? -1. So 2 chlorine is what? -2. Total should be always 0. So calcium will be +2. Clear? Calcium chloride का formula लिखा है.
How many questions?
No, but that we should know na beta. Formula we should know na calcium का valence. Okay, noble gas have stable atoms or element other than noble gas have incomplete valence shell. So A is true. Okay. A wait. Other than A and R both are true, but R is not the correct explanation. R is not the correct explanation. P has 13 proton. P, come here, beta. This boy, you come inside here. Sit here. Yeah, sit here inside. So A 13 proton and how much mass? 27. The element is most. A atomic number is 13 is what? Aluminium. Aluminium. अच्छा बेटा अभी ये बैलेंस करने को बोला था ये आप लोगों को किसको तेरे को भी यही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था तो बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो हाउ टू राइट द इक्वेशन व्हाट दे हैव रिटन बेटा जिंक तो पहले ये जिंक हो गया लेड क्या बोला लेड 2 नाइट्रेट तो फर्स्ट वेट लेड इज 2 प्लस नाइट्रेट इज हाउ मच 1 माइनस इंगे पिंगे क्रिस क्रॉस सो व्हाट विल गेट PbNO3 twice gives you zinc nitrate. Zinc is how much 2 plus. Nitrate is how much 1 minus. Criss cross. So what will get? And lead. So now we have to balance it. So it is already balanced. Zinc is 1. Zinc is 1. Nitrate is 2. Nitrate is 2. Pb is 1. Already. So what is there? What is stuff in this? Already balanced it is.
But if you don't know it,
Now aluminium bromide. Aluminium is 3. Bromide is 1 minus. So AlBr3 crisscross reacts with chlorine. Chlorine is Cl2. गैस कभी भी हम लोग बेटा Cl2 लिखते हैं वो ऑक्सीजन होता तो O2 नाइट्रोजन होता तो N2 ब्रोमीन होगा तो Br2 लोन होगा तो lonely Mr. Lonely aluminium chloride you are getting and what you are getting beta bromine so whenever bromine is there what we write it as Br2 I gave you this or not right डिपेंड करता है मोस्टली 2 ही आएगा बेटा ठीक है इवन इफ दे डोंट राइट द वर्ड गैस ओनली नाइट्रोजन देन आल्सो N2 ओनली ऑक्सीजन ओके नाउ आई नीड टू बैलेंस दिस नाउ यू सी हियर हाउ मेनी ब्रोमीन इज हियर 3 हियर इट इज हाउ मच 2 नाउ बेटा whenever odd and even is there to try to make even on both the side try to make even so agar if you are not getting this way look I'll show you here wait which all element were there Al Br and Cl how many Al on left hand side 1 how many bromine 3 how many chlorine 2 right hand side mein how many aluminium 1 how many bromine and this is 3 so now beta whenever odd and even is there listen carefully so this is beta I will make even ko odd so 3 के टेबल में क्या लिखूंगा 2 so it will become 6 and this will become 2 now aluminium is 2 now beta here so here what I'll write 2 so Al will become 2 into 3 it will become how much 6 अच्छा अभी chlorine is how much 6 and here it is what 2 now beta you will later on you will say we are not getting pay attention here so what I'll write here 3 so it will become 6 now here it is 2 and here it is 6 so what I'll write here 3 done are you getting it for you only I'm doing and you are paying somewhere you both of you are not attentive not at all you are not paying attention here okay chalo
थर्ड टेस्ट करो देख लेना और ना कौन तो प्लीज यूज करो
ए तेरा वो नोट्स कहाँ पे रखा है पिंकेश सर ने कबर्ड में? आई विल जस्ट चेक.
सर उन लोगों को वापस वॉशरूम यूज करेंगे सभी सर देखो सभी नहीं देखो
गो वहां से जा, वहां से जा. इधर से ध्यान, इधर अंदर आ जा. अंदर बुलाओ तेरे को अभी. बस बंद कर. ओके नाउ are you are getting it now? Okay, so this is how we are going to do the balancing. Are you getting it? You want me to do this sodium phosphate? Chalo, sodium balance is how much? Yeah, very nice friendship band, beta, very nice. Huh? Pay attention here. Okay. Sodium phosphate, what it is? अरे रुकना बेबी, थाम थाम.
So what's for? So why not? Killing such blood lines.
Sodium is how much? 1 plus. Phosphate is how much?
4.
Crisscross. ठीक है? Balance if you don't know, you won't be able to do anything. तो Na3PO, sorry इसको ब्रैकेट डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because ये this is only ones ना बेटा. Calcium chloride 2. What CaCl? CaCl2. Yeah. Calcium is how much beta? 2 plus. And phosphate is 2 minus. 3 minus. Crisscross. Inge pinge. Ca3PO4 twice. Beta. Sodium chloride. Why? What is the question?
So when you saw this thing for zinc, you said the balance is 1, but in the textbook it's 2. It's 1.
इनका balance is 2 only. So where I said 1? देगा रैप्टा. पागल. Shut up. Na. Na is there here. Then who is there? POCACl. Na, how much it is there on the left hand side? Come on, 3. P is 1. O is how much? 4. 1. And this is what? 2. Here it is how much? Na 1. P 2. O 4 into 2. 8. Calcium it is how much? Chlorine. So now what I have to do, bro? And this is 8 and this is 4. And this is what beta 3. So I'm going to put it over here 3. So what it will become? Come on, tell me. Na will become 3 and chlorine will also become 3. Barabar. But a calcium here it is how much beta? 3 and here it is 1. अच्छा बेटा, तो I'll start with this. अच्छा मैं यहाँ से start. Wait ना.
Sir is wrong.
अरे wait, बराबर कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी, रुक जा. हाँ, wait ना. अरे calcium is how much बेटा यार? 3. So I'll put here 3. So this is 3. So 3 into 2, 6. Now, here here chlorine is how much beta? 6. Right ना बेटा? So I want to make it what? NaCl ही दिया है, बराबर दिया क्या बेटा वो लोग ने? हाँ. So what I have to do बेटा? I have to make this what? 6. 6. तो यहाँ पे 6 हो जाएगा. Cl 6 हो गया ना? क्या तो? क्या? तो करता हूं ना, रुकना, शांति रखना, चुपचाप बैठ यहाँ पे. अभी यहाँ पे फॉस्फेट कितना है तुम्हारा? 2. So I'll put here 2. So this will become my phosphorus will become 2. 2 into 3 Na will become 6. O 2 into 4 8. And no, not at all. रहने दे. सब में पर. हाँ तो रहने दे बेटा.
बीच में बैठा. Yes, sir. And yes, sir.
Okay. तो ये बैलेंस,
किसने पूछा?
अभी मैंने बैलेंसिंग तुम लोगों को बताया. यहाँ पे देखो अभी, दिस पेपर हैव यू डन, टीचर रब्स दिस प्लास्टिक स्केल. ओके, द स्केल अट्रैक्ट्स टाइनी पार्टिकल्स. हाँ, तो बस चुपचाप बैठ. Which particle carries negative charge in an atom? Electron. ए, देखो चुपचाप बैठ, ध्यान दे. Negative charge. Magnesium atom loses 2 electron while reacting in which? What is the particle? If magnesium loses 2 electron, cation, Mg2 plus. Clear? A student says that almost the entire mass of an atom is concentrated in one central region. So, beta, which part of the atom? It is the nucleus, where the mass is concentrated at the center. Nucleus. Sodium forms positively charged ion. True. Sodium loses 1 electron. True. Abey, sodium is like this, na, it will lose 1 electron. It will become positive or not? Tell me. And this is the outermost shell is known as valence shell. It loses from this, it becomes octet or not? Tell me. So A is true and this is also true. So both. Clear? Are you getting it? A chemistry lab is labeled bisulfate. HSO4 If it would have been bisulfite, then it would have been HSO3 If it would have been only sulfate, then SO4 2 Okay? Let her cry. A polyatomic positive ion पूरे syllabus में एक ही है. Poly means many. Ammonia. But beta, they have told the name, so we'll write name. But I'm giving you both. Element with more than one valency. Variable valence. कहाँ पे बोला एग्जाम्पल? अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी मैं लिख देता वेरिएबल वैलेंसी एंड एग्जाम्पल विल गिव वेरिएबल वैलेंसी. क्यूप्रस क्यूपरिक, फेरस फेरिक, जो चाहिए वो आए. प्लम्बर प्लम्बिक. ओके, या मर्क्यूरस का होता है, मर्क्यूरस मर्क्यूरिक. हाइड्रागायरम हाइड्रागायरम. ऑक्सीजन का एक ही वैलेंसी होता है, ठीक है. नो, एक ही होता है. Sum of the number of protons and neutrons. Mass number. Mass. Transfer of electrons from ionic or electrovalent. Ionic or electrovalent bond. This girl here, how much you will talk this girl? Huh? What is this? What is this? Sharing of electron is covalent bonding. आज मैं टेस्ट में ये नहीं पूछने वाला हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी बता रहा हूँ. मैंने टेस्ट में सिर्फ लिखा है, क्या पता है तुम्हारा बेटा? ओनली LOC. आई टोल्ड यू ना इन ग्रुप ऑल्सो. positively charged ions. Cation. Type of bond in nitrogen. Triple covalent bond. Triple covalent. Beta. Okay, now listen. Language of chemistry मैंने लिखा दिया. Now beta, yeah, I'll do this, the balancing. Which one? Yeah, which one? Yeah, I'll do everything. Beta, here, this is what I'll show you each and every one, beta, don't worry. You have to write the formula. अरे फटाफट कर देता ना बेटा, 1 मिनट लगा. Wait. अरे ले भाई, ये phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus is 5, O is 2. Crisscross. P2O5. P2O5. Phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide.
That's like 5.
Penta means 5, na?
Yes, sir.
Phosphorus has variable valency.
Yes.
Okay, calcium chloride is CaCl2. Magnesium hydroxide is MgOH twice. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium is 1, sulfate is 2, so 2 ऐसा आएगा. Copper 2 sulfate, copper का भी 2. Cancel, it will go ahead, cancel. तो क्यूप्रिक बोला है तो भी 2 होता है. Cupric is 2. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Silver nitrate is AgNO3. Calcium nitrate is twice. Calcium valence is 2. Ammonium nitrate is, ammonium is 1. Nitrate is also 1. Calcium is 2, carbonate is 2. Lead oxide is PbO. PbO. Because they have not mentioned 4, they have written only lead. So we'll take normal 2. Only 2. Iron 3 chloride, Fe. Ammonium carbonate. Nitric acid is HNO3. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. अच्छा, मैंने phosphoric acid बोला रहता तो H3PO4. Yeah.
Can also be 3.
Yeah, but with oxygen it always exhibit 5 का valency.
That's your exception. Almost as it.
अभी बेटा कौन सा चाहिए तुझे, बोल ध्रुवी. What? हाँ.
Sir, most
क्या? Okay. Potassium chlorate gives you potassium. कैसे लिखेंगे इसको बता. KClO3 gives you KCl plus oxygen. So now we need to balance.
3
तो अभी यहाँ पे अब आ रहा है तुमको. ए सानवी, तेरे को इसमें भी कोई डाउट है, बोल. हाँ करता हूँ. देखो फॉस्फोरस पेंटॉक्साइड ना. ओके बेटा, तेरे को अभी इतना क्रिस क्रॉस बताया, अभी भी तेरे को नहीं आ रहा है तो बता रहा हूं ना. ये ले, phosphorus is 5, oxygen is 2. So what do you get? Phosphorus pentoxide. Then phosphorus plus oxygen के ले बेटा. Phosphorus P2O. Now pay attention यार. Pentoxide.
इधर 5. So my bad. इधर 2.
बेटा ऑड और इवन होगा तो मेक इट व्हाट बेटा. ऑड को इवन बनाने का.
So guys, sure.
Easy.
Balancing is three.
So, but you are doing mistake in that.
Balancing, if you know how to do it like mentally, like
You can do directly also. Yeah. Yeah.
What's your name?
Jitendra. GP sir, you can tell.
Yes.
हाँ.
Jitendra.
Jitendra Purohit. हाँ. Yeah. One, but letter fill. Yeah. देगा मारूंगा देखो. तेरा डाउट नहीं है ना? हाँ तो बोल अभी तेरा डाउट क्या है? डाउट. Oh, you have to remember only this. बस हो गया. इतना ही करेगी तो बहुत हो गया तेरे लिए. है इतना ही कर तू. इतना ही कर बहुत है तेरे लिए. ठीक है? ओके. वो मत देख उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है बेटा. मैंने तेरे को जितना बताया वो देख बस. ना इन एग्जाम में पूछेगा ये क्लोरीन. एक क्लोरीन में हाउ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड? वन. हाइड्रोजन में सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. ऑक्सीजन में क्या होता था? डबल कोवेलेंट. HCl में बेटा सिंगल. नाइट्रोजन में ट्रिपल कोवेलेंट. अमोनिया में थ्री सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. वाटर 2 सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड.
In the answer he said nitrogen ka 3 and then one each for hydrogen.
No. What they have told, what they have given number of covalent bond ना बस मैंने बता दिया. No. You draw this.
ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है ना टेस्ट सर.
ये वाला नहीं आज का नहीं है.
अरे सर ऐसे ड्रॉ कीजिए.
अच्छा पॉजिटिव और कौन है इसमें से? ये क्या है? पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव कौन है? Okay, we are going to start with the test. Any doubt? Which one? कहाँ है? Which one? That is not. I have not asked this. No, that is exceptional case. That is exceptional. There is no rule for that. Okay. अरे 2n plus 4 ना for that. Plus 4. It is not applicable for this element. For this element, the rule is not applicable. I told in the beginning also. Huh? That is wrong. Oh.
So कितने टाइम
This boy, both of you get out. Get out. Which is the worksheet? Where it is? Okay, beta, later on we'll do that worksheet. Now we'll write this. Chalo, beta, aja.
Test?
Yeah, test you are going to write. Tera. I'm going to reduce the duration of the test and the marks. I mean the marks I'm going to. What? Inside. अंदर घुस. समझा ना? Oh yeah, inside. Inside. एकदम inside. This boy, you go there. So look, I have done almost all the worksheet, beta. I have done. You can do that.
Yes.